Hello my friends and welcome to Automata Deterministic Finite Automata. This exercise was telling us to write the system of department and arrival of this automata. We see here that we have state number 1, which is an initial state, and it is a final state also because we have double circles. And we have the state number 2 and state number 3, which is also the final state. Okay. Now, the system of department consists of. Let's start with system of department. System of department. We see that I have missed here the entities that with A, B, and B, and we see here, let me make it as A, and we here we have B on itself. Okay, B. Now, the system of department start with A. Number 1, D1 would be, department 1 would be the epsilon plus A times D2 plus B D3. Why I am doing this? The department is starting with the initial state, which is consists with the E or epsilon, and if I want to go from state 1 to state 2, I would press the A, so A D2, and if I want to go to 3 D3, I would press the B, so B3 B D3. Okay guys, this is the D1. Let me go and solve the D2. D2 is the department from 2. So if we look that if I need to depart from 2, what should I press? I need to press the A. It will give me the 2 itself. So A, D2 plus. If I want to go to 3, if I want to press B on 2, so I'm on 2, state number 2, and I pressed B, I would go to 3. So B, D3. This is how we solve the department. Okay? So, again, I would repeat the step for the 3. So, D3 equal to epsilon plus A D2 plus B D3. I guess you understand it because D3 or state number 3, it is the final step and it took an epsilon, and A, it will give me 2. So 3, if I am on state 3 here and I pressed A, it will give me the state number 2, and if I press B, it would give me itself, so epsilon would be the same. Okay, now for the department, it's very important note that for the department system, we took the initial state. In this case, we have the initial state D number 1, so we consider it as the reference, and we need to get rid of D2 and D3. So Here, the question is to find L of the 1. So I need to get the system of department and its language is equal to D1. Let me copy D1. D1 is epsilon plus AD2 plus BD3. BD3. Okay? We need to get rid of D3 and D2. So, I need to get a system of A and B. I need to make a language. So L refers to a language. Now, let me change the color because we have moved to another idea. So D3, since D3 from the above steps equal to epsilon plus AD2 plus BD3. If we look on this, it is equal to D2. So we can substitute this by D2. So epsilon plus D2. We have get rid from A D2 plus B D3, which is equal to D2. So D3 equal this. Now we want to get rid of also D2. So D2 equal AD2 plus BD3. AD2 plus B, and I need to put D3 in its value. We have getted it here, so I need to put BD2 and we know that B epsilon is equal to B, so A D2 plus B plus B D2. Now let's group this with this. So A plus B into D2 plus B, and you see guys, we have a very important note, and the key for solving these exercises is that x equal to x u plus v is equal directly, and we can replace it with x equal to v u and star. Okay guys, so this is the very important key for solving these exercises. Let's see how here it works. This is the D2. So D2 is x, and D2 here is also x, goes the same value, and here is the quantity u, and we have plus v. So applying this rule will give me the following: D2 would equal to v, which is b, and multiplied with a plus b star. Okay, so this is the solution. I will put it here. This is the D2. Okay, now we want to replace it with L1 because we have took this and we have get this, and we need to replace them all in the final solution, which is L1 L1, or sorry, L equal to D1 equal to epsilon plus A plus B star into B. Okay, this is the solution of the first department system. Now let me solve the arrival system. I will copy this automat here. I will copy it. Now let me solve the system of arrival. I will copy here the automat. I will select it, copy, and going down to the system of arrival. I will paste it, and this is the system. So if we look on the arrival of 1, so what are the entities that arrived to 1? A1 would be only the epsilon, so only the initial state is arrived to 1. Let's take the state number 2, which is the second state. So what are the things that arrive to 2? It is here the A that is coming from 1, the A is coming from 3, and the A itself coming from itself. Okay, so A2 equal to A1A plus A2A plus A3A. Okay, guys, you have noticed that the writing in the system of arrival is different, because we have started with A capital, with the state, and then with the key, or the transition letter A2 and A3 before the A or A. It is different from the department, because we have seen before that the department is the first is the state, sorry, it's the key, and then it is the state. So it's very important to see here and know the difference, and pay attention for the writing. Okay, and A3 equal to A1B plus A2B, and here A3B. So what are the arrivals to 3? We have the arrival here, B, the arrival from 2 by pressing B, and the B from itself. Now, we have here 2 states. Okay, guys, we have 2 final states. So, it's very important to notice that L equal to A1 plus A3. So, since we have two final states, we need to mention them. So, A1 is equal to epsilon, and from above we have here, and we have 3B. Okay, so we need to get rid from A2 and make them an A3 and A1, and make them in a product of A and B's. So you remember here that epsilon plus B. Here we have the A1, so A2, I'll make it here, A2 equal to epsilon A plus A2B plus A3A, and epsilon times A is equal to A, so plus A2 A, here it is equal to A, and A3A, and A2, let me group them. A2 equal to A2A plus A3A plus A. We see here there is common between A2 and A2, and we need to use the property that I have talked about, which is here x equal xu plus v is equal to x equal to vy or u star. So here it is equal to A3A plus A, this is the quantity, and it is times A star. So this is the A2, okay, and A3, I will make a product, and it will give me A3 A star plus or times A star. Now I will substitute in A3. So A3 here equal sigma B or epsilon B plus A3 A star plus A star or plus here times B plus A3B, and I will make here the convention by making A3 into A star plus epsilon B plus epsilon plus A bar. Now, since we have A3 here in the form of the x equal to xu plus v, implies that x equal to vu star. So we have here the x, u, and v. So it is the product, the final product would be A3 equal to A3A star B plus A star B. This is the A3. Okay, and again we need to make the product, so we need to do this again. So after this is the x, this is the x here, and this is the u, this is the v, and it implies that A3 after the third and applying of this rule, a3 equal to a star b into a star b star, and again it is equal to a star b star. Okay, so this is the a3, and therefore the final step for L equal to a1 plus a3 equal to epsilon plus a star b star. It is equal to a star b star. Okay, so this is the final solution for our system, the arrival system. This is the arrival system, and this is the solution of the department system. We also need to solve more and more exercises in the next seasons and the next videos. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and rate us 5 stars to help us making new videos every day. So see you next videos.